Welcome. It is my pleasure to welcome each of you to the Ira A. Fulton College of Engineering Convocation. Graduates, we congratulate you not only for what you have accomplished in your time here, but for what you have become as you have pursued your education.
Dear graduates, faculty members, family, and friends, as we gather here today to celebrate the culmination of our college journey, I'm reminded of the invaluable lesson that has guided me through the past 4 years, the importance of embracing opportunities.
As we prepare now to go out into the world, remember that the Lord has a much greater plan for you than you have for yourself. We can trust that God is the perfect navigator, and the trip that He has planned is thrilling.
Whatever the future may hold for you, choose to be all in until the very end. Life is too short to quit. Strive for success, be all in, and remember the fundamentals. Do this at work with your family and in church, and you will find the success that comes through following our Savior, Jesus Christ.
Thanks to my wonderful family and friends, amazing professors, and classmates like those in this graduating class, I have been empowered and supported and learned to remove my invisible scar. As civil, construction, computer, and electrical engineers, we can graduate today, class of 2024, as engineers prepared to go forth and serve.